look at this table. It's gorgeous. Turning simple treasures into lasting keepsakes is what Relove Designs is all about. And of course, we have owner Courtney Rosenberg. She's joining us with how you can create meaningful decoupage projects. I've been practicing that word. What exactly is decoupage?
Decoupage is just layering it with taking a regular object. Today we're doing shells.
Okay.
And we're going to take napkins, and we're using Podge, which is almost like a watered down glue.
Okay.
I'm going to show a trick that I love to show everybody. We start with a napkin, which is usually 2 or 3 ply. And the little trick is you take a little piece of tape on the
and
corners.
You can pull apart the layers of the napkin. That's brilliant.
So you want to make sure that you only have 1 layer.
Okay.
And then I have a little setup here for us.
I'm excited. So we've got our shells lined up.
Yeah, so we start with your basic shell. Make sure you wash it, clean it, bleach it.
Okay.
And then I've already done this ahead of time. So we have paint to make sure that we've covered up that little black spot.
Okay, we're just painting on the inside, giving us a clean slate a little bit, right?
Absolutely.
Okay,
yes.
So I've got my painted shell.
And then I've pre-cut little, like I'm going to do
Different
the blue
napkin
one.
Designs.
Yes, and you can see there's all these different napkin choices.
That's what I love. You can do, we were talking, you could do seasonal stuff. You've got all different kinds of designs based on whatever matches, let's say, maybe your dining room. You have some decor, you've got some extra napkins.
If you're having a holiday and you want to do it ahead of time, you can even do it on
decoration.
Little wood slices. I have different objects. You could do it on little vases, little
flower
planter pots.
Okay.
Anything.
Shall we?
Yes.
We're Mod Podging. So I've got the Mod Podge on my brush.
So we are dipping it and we are coating the shell.
The inside of it,
layer.
right?
Yeah. Nice thin layer. You don't need too much.
I might have done too much. I was heavy-handed with it. Okay.
And then for yours, I've cut yours out.
Okay, I'm going to do this big flower right here.
And then we're going to put that on.
I'm going to go this way with it.
I'm going to do a gentle tap.
Oh, okay, we're tapping it. Oh. It's kind of like a temporary tattoo. It feels like a little bit, right?
Except you're not going to take it off. Exactly.
It stays on.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we're just going to take
Mod Podge over?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Relove Designs, you guys are really special because you are taking things that you can find anywhere. Sometimes it's, you know, people giving them to you. They're done with it in their home, so it goes to you. But these are shells that we could have easily found on the beach. On vacation, in Connecticut, wherever. You know how we always have that stockpile of shells you don't want to get rid of because it's a memory.
Yes, they usually end up in, if you don't want them, they end up in my studio and I reuse them. So I do. I love to find my own shells. I love to, I have a lot of orphan crafts that end up in my studio with my whole reloved concept. See? That
was so easy. Look at this.
So yours I cut out. This one has a little overhang.
Okay.
So but what you can do with that is you can take like a piece of sandpaper or a sanding block.
Oh, okay. And you can round out that edge a little bit. See, she made it easy for me. That's why you're the best, Courtney.
Or if you've got that wet edge, it's easy to tear.
Okay.
Around the edge.
Right around the corners.
But, you know, and also for the magic of TV.
Yeah.
we have ones, the next phase. This is what it's going to look like once
it's finished. So this would be my finished version right here.
Right.
Gorgeous.
So just to kind of up the ante a little bit and make it a little bit more decorative, you can do a couple different ways. We have
I love this.
A gold pen.
Sparkly pen. Who doesn't love that?
Right. And then I have this extreme sheen gold paint.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's really pigmented. Okay, so we're just going to line the edges, right?
Yeah.
Amazing. Where can people find Relove Designs and where can we hang out with you?
So we are, I am in Branford, Connecticut. I have a little studio. I love it. It's the concept is connecting creativity. It's I have 2 large dining room tables, so we all sit together and craft.
And you do parties.
I do birthday parties. I do adult parties. I do kids' birthday parties. I'm having a Girl Scout troop in next week. Yes, it is. It's
unofficial therapy.
It really is. I call it craft therapy.
Yeah.
I do a lot of classes outside of the studio at senior centers. I do Parks and Recs. I just finished my camp season with North Branford and Branford Parks and Rec.
Fun.
Yeah, I do classes a bunch of different places.
Very cool. Go hang out with Courtney. Make some decoupage. I just learned what that is, and let me tell you, it's awesome. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to hang some up on the wall. Why not?
And you can even do the artwork, like those pieces up there. You could just decoupage a bunch and put them on a board, piece of driftwood, something you have in your house.
Memories on your walls.
Right.
I love it. We're repurposing it. It's an exciting day on CT Live. Of course, Courtney, one of our friends. You can find her at Relove Designs. Courtney, thank you so much for hanging out.
Thanks for having me again.